February 2nd, 1995, Groundhog Day. Punxsutawney Phil predicts an early spring. And to the untrained eye, it seemed like a good idea. But the furry forecaster has been wrong before, and just days later, he's proven wrong again. In some parts of northeast New York State measured over 20 inches. In addition to the snow, residents had to deal with bitter cold conditions, with wind chill factors reaching 40 below at times. By night, the center of the storm was in southern New England, producing strong winds from Maine to North Carolina. This was the only significant eastern storm in the winter of '95, but wintry weather made a return in mid-November. Residents of the Northeast were preparing for more than just another holiday season. They were bracing for another big storm. In some ways, this storm differed from classic nor'easters. With those storms, the center usually takes a track farther to the east. The Weather Channel's Mike Bono explains.
This one took a classic track for a while. It was over water off the North Carolina coast. It hugged the coast and then went inland right about over New York City and went up west of the Hudson River and into Canada.
On December 10th, low pressure over eastern Canada caused a flow of cold air over the length of Lake Erie, creating a textbook case of lake effect snow. Buffalo set a 24-hour snowfall total record of 38 inches. Then, less than a week before Christmas, the Northeast was hit hard again. A storm system from the central states redeveloped near the North Carolina coast. As this system moved northeast, it dropped heavy snow from the lower Great Lakes to parts of New England on the 19th and 20th. Accumulations in New York City ranged from 7 inches to over a foot at LaGuardia, creating a travel nightmare for motorists. And as before, residents began digging out even before the official start of winter '95. Although '95 produced winter scenes that won't soon be forgotten, the severe season created damage that many residents would like to forget.